In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GIFs on Microsoft Teams. If you use Teams for work or personal communication, you know how GIFs can add a layer of fun and expression to your messages. Let's walk through the process of enabling them so you can start enhancing your interactions with vivid and animated responses. First, let's make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft Teams account. Open the app on your desktop or navigate to the Teams web app through your preferred browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Teams interface with all your channels and chats displayed. Now, we need to access the Settings menu. In the upper right corner, you should notice your profile picture or initials. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the Manage Account option. This will take you to a new window where you can modify numerous settings related to Teams. You'll see several tabs on the left-hand side of this window. Click on the General tab to open it. Here, you can adjust the overall settings related to the Teams interface and your account. You might need to scroll down a bit to find the section related to content features. Look for the part labeled Fun Stuff. Under this category, you should see multiple options, including the ability to enable GIFs. Make sure the toggle switch next to GIFs is turned on. This simple switch will allow you and your team members to send and receive GIFs in your messages. It's worth noting that enabling GIFs means you might see or be shown animated content within your conversations. They're generally fun, but if you ever find the animations distracting or inappropriate for certain conversations, this setting can always be turned off to suit your needs. With GIFs enabled, you're all set to make your communications more lively. As a final tip, when you're typing a message in any chat or channel, look for the small GIF button near the text box. Clicking on this button opens a panel where you can search and select the perfect animation for any occasion. This feature is integrated with a database of GIFs that you can browse through, providing a wide range of options to keep your messages interesting and engaging. And that's it. You've successfully enabled GIFs on Microsoft Teams. Remember, these little animations can make a big difference in how your messages are perceived, adding a human touch to the digital dialogue. So go ahead and start sharing your favorite GIFs with your team. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in, and happy team chatting.